Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make an instant garlic bread with our regular bread. Very delicious and an instant breakfast recipe. You can make this breakfast in just 2 minutes. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, add 1 tablespoon of butter in room temperature. To this, grate and add 1 garlic clove. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of chilli flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder and 1/4 teaspoon of Italian herbs. Give all the ingredients a very good mix. Keep this ready. Keep ready 2 bread slices. Spread 1 tablespoon of butter mixture in each bread slice. Now it's ready, let's go and toast them. Heat a pan and spread 1 teaspoon of salted butter. Allow the butter to melt completely. Keep the flame on medium till the end. Now the butter has melted, add the bread slices. Toast for 1 minute in medium flame. After 1 minute, flip it to the other side and let this again toast for 1 minute in medium flame. Now after 1 minute, again flip sides. Now both sides are well done and crispy, so let's now remove from the pan. Now a delicious instant garlic bread is ready. Cut them into sticks and serve it nice and hot with some ketchup and enjoy with your family and friends. Very crispy, delicious and an instant breakfast recipe. So do try this instant garlic bread recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.